If you're awake right now, there's probably a reason. For me, nights feel heavier. Like everything I push away during the day just shows up at once. Not even big things. Just thoughts I didn't have time for. I don't really have advice. I'm not trying to explain anything. I just wanted to talk about what this actually feels like. Because if you're here, I'm guessing you know it too. The 3 a.m. silence. I don't even know why I'm awake. Just lying here, scrolling. Nothing really matters. Not that I can tell. And then it hits me. I feel late. Not for anything specific. Just life. It's stupid, I know. Room's the same. Day's the same. Everything's the same. But my chest, it feels heavy. Like I missed something important. And no one told me. I put my phone down. Try to tell myself it's fine. I know it's just highlights online. Edited, fake, incomplete. Doesn't matter. I still feel it. I remember walking past the park today. Saw 2 kids laughing. Really laughing. And I froze. I don't know why. It was like their happiness reminded me of me. Or who I'm not. I lie back. Close my eyes. But I can't stop thinking. What did I miss today? This week? This year? Why does it feel like everyone else is moving, and I'm just stuck here? I scroll again. See someone on a trip. A promotion. A moment that looks perfect. And I hate it. But I can't look away. I know it's stupid. I know it's fake. Still, my chest tightens. I roll over. Blanket tangled around me. Try to breathe. And it hits me. I'm comparing. Not jealous, not angry. Just quietly feeling smaller. Like a shadow of myself. I try to distract myself. Think about tomorrow. Things I don't even have planned. Stuff I don't even want to do. But it comes back. The feeling. The pressure. The weight. And I remember the friend I ignored today. I didn't call. I didn't reply. I just didn't. And now it stings. At night it stings worse. I start asking myself questions. Why do I feel like this? Why is it always worse at night? Am I the only one? Probably not. But it feels like it. I think about all the tiny moments I ignored. All the chances I didn't take. Conversations I didn't start. Opportunities one let pass. And it piles up. All the little things. All at once. I hear a laugh outside. Someone else awake, I guess. And it feels heavier. Like their small happiness is pressing against my chest. I lie back. Breathe. Try to let it go. But the night, it doesn't let you lie. It doesn't let you hide. It just shows up. Forces you to face yourself. I think, maybe I'm behind. Maybe I missed too much. Or maybe, it's just tonight. I don't know. I really don't. I shift in bed. Blanket a mess. Fan too loud. Foot tapping, I guess. I stare at the ceiling. Shadows stretching longer than they should. And I realize, the 3 a.m. silence doesn't care. It just exists. And I have to exist with it. Maybe that's the point. Maybe this is what it's like. To be honest with yourself. I lie back. Try to breathe. Foot taps a little. Hand brushes the sheets. And tonight, that's all I can do. Exist. Feel. Notice. Because the 3 a.m. silence. It's loud. It's heavy. It's honest. And I'm awake. When thoughts start lining up, I try to sleep. Like, I really try this time. Eyes closed. Phone face down. Telling myself, just shut up for once. Doesn't work. Because the moment things get quiet, my brain starts lining things up. One thought after another. No gaps. No breaks. I start replaying the day. Not the good parts. Those don't stick. It's always the awkward moments. The things I didn't say right. The pauses that lasted too long. The times I should have spoken but didn't. And the annoying part is, none of it mattered. No one probably noticed. No one's thinking about it right now. But I am. Of course I am. I think about that moment earlier when someone asked me a simple question. Nothing deep. Just normal conversation. And somehow I answered it wrong. Not wrong. Just, not me. Not what I actually meant. And now my brain's like, see? That's who you are. You always mess it up. I turn onto my side. Tell myself to stop. Doesn't help. Then my mind does this thing where it zooms out. Like it's not just about today anymore. It's about patterns. I start thinking, why does my life feel like it's on pause? Like I'm waiting for something to start but no one assumed I was invited. Everyone else seems to have a direction. Or at least they look like they do. Even the people who say they're lost. They still seem ahead of me somehow. And I know how dumb that sounds. I know comparison is fake. I know people lie online. I know everyone struggles. I know all that. But knowing doesn't stop the feeling. That's the part no one talks about. If logic fixed this, I'd be fine by now. I think about the things I said I'd do soon. Learn something. Change something. Start something. Soon keeps moving further away. And then there's this quiet fear that creeps in. Not panic. Not dramatic. Just this soft thought. What if this is it? What if this stuck feeling doesn't go away? I hate that thought. I try to push it out. But it sticks around. I remember being younger and thinking life would feel clearer by now. Like there'd be some internal switch that flips and suddenly you get it. You know who you are. What you want. Where you're going. No one warned me it doesn't work like that. Now it just feels like guessing. Every day. Guessing and hoping it doesn't blow up later. I think about people I don't talk to anymore. Not because of fights. Just drifting. One missed reply turns into two. Two turns into months. Months turn into silence. And suddenly it's too awkward to reach out. So you don't. And you pretend it doesn't bother you. But at night. Yeah, it bothers you. I catch myself wondering if they think about me. Then I feel stupid for even wondering. Then I feel worse for caring. It's like every thought turns into another one. No clean ending. No relief. I start questioning myself in ways I never would during the day. Am I lazy, or just tired? Am I unmotivated, or just overwhelmed? Am I choosing this, or stuck in it? I don't have answers. Just more questions. And the quiet makes it louder somehow. Not in sound. In weight. It feels like my chest is full. Not painful. Just crowded. I think about tomorrow again. Not excited. Not scared. Just blank. That scares me more than anxiety ever did. Because at least anxiety means you care. This feels like caring without direction. I roll over again. Try to focus on breathing. In. Out. My brain immediately goes. Okay, but what about your future? Great. Thanks. I remember a random moment from years ago. Something small I said. Someone's reaction. And my brain goes. Yeah, that was embarrassing. When comparison stops being loud. At some point, the thoughts change shape. They stop arguing with me. Stop asking questions. They just sit there. And that's worse. Because now it's not panic. It's not spiraling. It's this quiet acceptance that something's off. I catch myself opening my phone again. Not even scrolling properly. Just unlocking it. Locking it. Unlocking it again. Like I'm waiting for something to appear. Some notification that explains everything. Nothing does. I see people my age doing things. Not crazy things. Normal things. Jobs. Relationships. Progress. And comparison doesn't feel aggressive anymore. It doesn't feel like jealousy. It feels passive. Like something I absorbed. Without choosing to. I don't think I want that. I think I should already have that. And that thought sits heavy. Because once you start using should, everything feels like failure. I tell myself everyone moves at their own pace. I've said that 1,000 times. I've heard it 1,000 times. It sounds nice. It just doesn't land at 3 a.m. At night, all those comforting phrases feel hollow. Like they were designed for daylight. I think about the version of me I thought I'd be by now. Not rich. Not famous. Just settled. Someone who knows what they're doing when they wake up. Instead, every day feels like improvising. Like I'm pretending I understand the rules. And the scary part is, I don't even know when it started. There was no big failure. No dramatic collapse. Just a slow drifting. A series of "I'll deal with it later" moments. Later turned into years. That realization hits harder than anything else tonight. Because you can't argue with it. I remember moments where I could have changed direction. Small ones. Sending a message. Applying for something. Saying yes instead of maybe later. Nothing huge. Nothing cinematic. Just choices I didn't make. And now I'm lying here wondering if those tiny moments added up to this feeling. I don't hate my life. That's the confusing part. I just don't feel connected to it. Like I'm watching it from slightly outside my body. I think about conversations I have during the day. How I laugh at the right moments. Say, yeah, totally, when I mean, I don't know. I blend in pretty well. But at night, that version of me disappears. And this one shows up. The one who's not sure. The one who feels behind. The one who keeps checking the time like it means something. I glance at my phone. 3:17 a.m. That number annoys me. Because it means I'm officially in it now. Too late to sleep properly. Too early for anything else. Just stuck. And that's when the fear sneaks in. Not loud. Not dramatic. Just a quiet thought. What if this is permanent? What if this isn't a phase? What if I don't figure it out? What if this low-level dissatisfaction is just my baseline? I don't want to think that. I really don't. But my brain doesn't care what I want right now. It keeps bringing up examples. People who never left their hometown. People who settled into lives they didn't choose. People who just adjusted. And suddenly adjusting feels terrifying. I sit there with that thought for a while. Not moving. Not doing anything. Just letting it sit. And then another realization hits me. I don't actually want advice. I don't want solutions. I don't want motivation. I just want to know I'm not the only one lying awake. Feeling like this. Because during the day, everyone sounds so certain. So confident. So sure. The thought I keep avoiding. There's a thought I keep circling around. But I don't let myself say it. I kind of walk past it. Glance at it. Pretend I didn't notice. Because once I say it clearly, I don't know how to put it back. But it's here tonight. It's been here for a while, actually. The thought is this: what if I didn't mess up once? What if I slowly opted out? Not consciously. Not dramatically. Just, quietly. I think about how many times I chose comfort over effort. Not because I was lazy, but because I was tired. Tired of trying things that didn't work. Tired of hoping and getting nothing back. Tired of feeling stupid for believing I could do more. So I stopped pushing. A little at a time. And no one noticed. Because from the outside, nothing looked wrong. I was still functioning. Still replying. Still showing up. Just, less alive inside. That's the part no one sees. During the day, I don't feel broken. I feel numb but okay. Neutral. Night is when neutrality turns into suspicion. Like, why am I not excited about anything? Not sad. Not happy. Just flat. I scroll past things I used to care about. Ideas that once made my chest feel warm. Plans I used to daydream about. Now they feel distant. Like they belong to someone else. And that scares me more than failure ever did. Because failure at least means you tried. This feels like slowly disappearing. Without anyone calling it out. I ask myself questions I don't answer. Do I actually want more? Or do I just like the idea of wanting more? Am I stuck? Or am I hiding? Did life get harder? Or did I just get quieter? I don't know. And not knowing feels heavier than a bad answer. I notice something else too. I don't talk about the future anymore. Not really. If someone asks, I keep it vague. Oh, figuring things out. Just taking it day by day. It sounds mature. It sounds calm. But honestly, it's avoidance dressed up as patience. Because if I'm being real, thinking too far ahead makes my stomach drop. I check the time again. It's still 3-something. Doesn't even matter which number anymore. Nothing dramatic happens after that thought. No realization. No clarity. Just silence sitting there with me. And that's the part one don't know how to explain to people. It's not that I'm broken. It's not that I've given up. It's just this strange feeling that life kept moving. And I stayed still long enough. That now I don't know how to step back in. I don't cry. I don't spiral. I just lie here, awake. Letting the ceiling exist above me. Thinking about all the versions of me that never got a chance. Because I didn't push. Or speak. Or decide. And I don't judge myself for it tonight. I'm just noticing it. The room stays quiet. My phone stays face down. The night keeps going. Whether I understand it or not. And eventually, I stop trying to figure it out. Not because it's resolved. But because I'm tired. That's it. No lesson. No advice. No meaning wrapped neatly at the end. Just me. Still awake. Still here. Waiting for the night to pass.